Hello everybody, welcome back to Yoba TV. If you're new here, you're welcome. Kindly click that subscribe button on your screen, like, comment, and share this program. Wọ́n ní billionaire wife ó ti padà sílé ọkọ ẹ̀. Wọ́n ní billionaire wife Regina ó ti padà sílé ọkọ ẹ̀. Am I surprised? No, I've already talked about it like hunger na your mate. I mean, you see, I talked about this before. Like, if she look at the losses she's going to get, and for the fact that there's nothing outside there for her, she doesn't have a choice. This man has literally stolen everything from her. Her youth, her life, her work, everything has been taken from her. So if you look at it very well, kò sí nǹkan tó fẹ́ padà sí, ó máa padà sílé ìyá ẹ̀, ó tún máa lọ dálé moṣú sílé ìyá ẹ̀ ni. And if you ask me, now who I go ask you? Because I wan ask one question from the mama, say the mama will come out talk, say now the pikin see the man say he wan marry am. Hope the mama don't tell the pikin, say if anything happen, we no wan hear say you be nobody, because now you take your 2 leg waka pass, go back to the place now. Ṣó ti rò dáadáa, ṣé ìṣe pé ẹ pressurize ẹ kó padà, because hope you understand. Hope you let her go for therapy. Hope you let her go to that rehab. Hope you let her understand what she's walking back into, because second time is not a charm. If the man no finish, kukuma finish you. Don't go where daddy. Hope she understand that there are things has to be done accordingly. Things has to be done. You know, that man is old enough to be your grandfather. So there are some respect you have to give him. There are some things also where mashi bodoshi. It's not about to rush into marriage. It's about to, understand what you are getting yourself into. This is you entering a relationship whereby you know nothing about the partner. You see money, you fly. You see private jet, you fly. Wait. Let us bring it back again. If we say we want to talk her, where she go, they see Ferrari to cry inside if she no return to the man's house? I'm just asking. Where she go, they see private jet to fly inside? You know, she's a Senator's Wife Association Forum, Abikinokwe. So how will she get to the Senator's Wife Association Forum for Abuja if she no dey with this man again? She go enter moto or Maruwa and go back there. There's nothing for Regina anymore. She has sold her birthright. She has sold her future, her life, everything has been given to that man. The man, do you think, do you think Ned that has 5 women that are old and mature enough than you think now you go pressurize that man? In fact, if you leave within 1 month, it go bring another one enter. It go bring, okay. It go bring another one enter. But no woman can tie him down all the while before you come. We don't have issue with the man. What will happen? They come back again. Because why? The lifestyle, they cannot get it anywhere. They don't have anything they're doing. When you fight your wife, what happened? You pick another one. The man know how to pick. He know how to pick. When he was fighting Leila that time, he picked Regina. Galavant again. He was gallivanting with Regina here and there when he fight with Leila then. That Morocco wife. Now, he don't fight with Regina. Now Leila turn. One good turn deserve another. I swear down. That man is the devil. You don't play or mess with them. You don't say, I'm going to show him. Show what? He's a billionaire. You can't win. Ibolofelo, look at the press release. It just come out. Release press, release voice, release everything. Even the thing where we don't know say happen. It just come out to come and boju eje. Even the things where we don't know say happen. The man tell us, say, now so, their life will be. I don't know her before. Now her and her mama come. Now so I marry her within 2 weeks. So now so she dey break things. She dey use banner. She dey jeg banner every day. She dey break Ferrari. Even we don't even know say you dey chop banner. The man talk, she go back. Of course, when she don't, the way the man talk, the girl no agree talk because what is she want talk? almost of wetin she won't talk. At the end of the day, now she go get the blame. If we see Regina on the street now, no car, no Ferrari, no Lamborghini again, people go mock her. Because number one, ta ló fẹ́ fẹ́ lẹ́yìn ọmọ méjì. Ẹ jẹ́ abára wa sọ̀tọ̀. Ó sì fine. But ṣé standard ẹ ti wá high báyìí. Ta ló fẹ́ match energy Ned. Ọkùnrin tó bá dẹ̀ máa fẹ́ Regina, ó máa face ogun ní tí tó máa fi kú because you have to be dealing with Ned. Kò sí anybody tó máa fẹ́ pẹ̀lú marriage rádaràda tó ń ṣe fún wọn yẹn. Kò sí. So you have to be dealing with Ned if you marry Regina. And Ned is a billionaire. If you are not a billionaire, wala don't suck with that. The girl now, no car, no house. They say even the motor where they buy for her. Now the name of the husband, the motor they no job, he make her quit her job. So what think she dey work? No children. They even collect the pikin. No, they maybe now the pikin she they miss. Now she won't go back there because if you leave Ned, in pikin no they come out for that house. So in pikin no they come out for that house. If you leave that man, no pikin nothing. So she go miss her pikin now. She won't see her pikin because they go suffer the pikin there. Too much women, too many children. They there. Your two pikin where you born for your life, where they can't be. There are so many reasons. There's so many losses that girl will have lost. Losses will take fortune. And still, even if she go back again, there's still nothing to gain. She's just there like a furniture. But she might want here. But at least you still have her children. Because you cannot fight that man. He's always 10 steps ahead of you. Especially when you're a patriarchy and walking in at especially if you're a woman. Kini ya Regina fẹ́ fi kú? Kí ló fẹ́ fi kú? Ẹ̀sìn dé ni. How did she want to continue living the glamour lifestyle that she likes? How did Iya Regina want to continue living that glamour lifestyle? You know, even before the pikin enter the private jet, the mama don't enter first. Now she pepper furu wale. Báwo ló ṣe fẹ́ kóru lifestyle yẹn? How did she want to continue, you know? That kind of thing. So a lot of things, a lot of people ló ti yọ síbí wá pé you know, a lot of assistants not man yẹn ti render fún Regina àtàwọn family. So of course they will not want that to just pass by because Regina is walking back to nothing. Where did she want to start from? What did she have? She has nothing. So it's understandable if she go back. I told you if in our video, I've said it a million times. There's nothing to gain here. Please go back. Because you don't go like yourself. The man will now make sure that what you go to down our boy mirror for that what now. You already know marriage of 5 years. What the movie family in Sherry, everything. So he will now use Owo Agbara to deal with you. But what to lagidi? That man, he will deal with her. He will deal in your tono togi wonu le are. Pé kàn wá ná ìyàwó ẹ̀ mọ́lé. Ṣé rò pójú lásán ni? Wèrè la fi ń wo wèrè ló sọ. Ó ti pẹ́ tó ti ń lù. But ó ń rọ́tọ̀ wà kàn wá tún lù. Ṣé ti understand pé ọwọ́ mi ò fẹ́ ká ẹ mọ́? Jẹ́ kí ìyá ẹ dùn ẹ lára dáadáa. So those are not men you play with or you shake with. So if you're playing with men like that, you're just messing yourself up. You're messing yourself, your life, everything up. So I wish Regina the best. Almost any decision she make, if she decided to walk away, good for her. But I don't think she can walk away and have a good life in that Nigeria. Yes, she leaves Nigeria. I don't think she can walk away and have a good life in Nigeria with that man politically connected. You know, they will just make sure they mess her life. If she wants to go, she's supposed to run away, but the man no go release the pikin to her. So a lot of things. It's too deep. You understand? She's a small girl and it's too deep. One for Walla Magbalojuni at the end of the day, she go just suffer, she go still succumb to it because at one point she will not want to see her children. And that man already know. And in control to their bait, you know, love mama deal with her children. See the other women say their pikin suffer when they fight with Ned. that he purposely suffer the pikin wey they have for am. Àwọn yẹn èṣù ni wọ́n, you don't even looking at the man, ṣé kò jèṣù? Ẹ wo bí man yẹn ṣe rí. Those people, they are, you know, it's more than the money. There's so many dark things going on. She understands this. So I don't know how women just, you think a man like that needs you. In fact, no, he doesn't need you. He wants to use you. That is just it. And he used that girl. He used that girl, collected everything at the end of it. It's just not a mess. Not a mess. I wish her well though. Kó fara ẹ̀ balẹ̀, kó dẹ̀ máa mú gbó mọ́. Wọ́n ní kó máa fojú lásán báyìí kó fi máa wo wèrè. Má mú gbó kó lọ máa dó ọkọ ẹ mọ́. Ọkọ ẹ sọ pé òun like kó máa mú gbó kó máa bóun sùn. Ìwọ máa fo nǹkan tó kọ́ ìkọ́lá is a buyer. Èèyàn kì í tẹsẹ̀ bomi kó máa kígbe òtútù. And you say na this one owó ẹ̀, so you have to fuck him without. I don't know how you're going to do it. You have to make the best out of it. The man knows say you know like her. You know. I hope you say no be you go buy him one day, because imagine you wake up and something like that is on top of you. Forget the money. Àwọn ọkọ mi wà gan you. Tó bá kó wọn sílẹ̀ gan wà tí wọ́n gbé ṣòwò ọ̀tẹ̀. You wake up at night, you find irú net yẹn lórí ẹ̀. As pretty as you. Ṣógun láyé. You know, imagine pé ó dẹ̀ṣẹ̀ lọ sí àwọn ìwò kan ní. Ṣé mọ̀ pé márùn-ún ló ní? Àwọn ìyálàyà rẹ̀ jìnnà. Márùn-ún ló gbé sínú ilé yẹn. Àwọn èèyàn kan tó ti darúgbó sínú ilé yẹn. A tún lọ sínú ìwò yẹn, a tún kì í bọ̀ wò kan. Obìnrin mi dẹ̀ rí. Ọlọ́run ṣàánú èèyàn. Àwọn kan wà èmi ò lè ṣe o. O mọ̀ pé ẹni yẹn yọ okó síbí, yọ okó síbí, yọ okó síbí, wá tún fokó yẹn náà wá tó ẹ̀. How do you even? I'm just, you know, I'm just like, although not men cheat gan, àwọn kan gan ta ní sínú ilé, but wait, but in a situation whereby, you know, the man has 5 wives, ó ṣe lọ sọ́dọ̀ ilé agbẹnusí, wọ́n á kì í bọ́ àṣẹ lómi, wọ́n á tún gbé the same nurse yẹn, wọ́n máa gbé bọ̀ lọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀. Oh God. Ìwọ náà wà tún gbẹ́nu lé lórí, wà tún máa sọ̀kì ẹ̀, nǹkan tó ṣẹ̀ wọnú ìdí ẹlòmíì. Oh God, Ọlọ́run ṣàánú. Ojú lásán ṣe ṣe wèrèwèrè la fi ń wo abájọ. Ọmọ yẹn gbọ́dọ̀ mú gbóná. Ẹ fi gbó yẹn lẹ́fun, ẹ jẹ́ kó máa mú. Ọlọ́run, because it's àwọn obìnrin tí nẹ́ẹ̀dì ń dó, ó máa jẹ́ ẹgbẹ́ ìyá rẹ̀ jìnnà. Imagine kan ṣe dó ẹgbẹ́ ìyá ẹ̀ tán, kan wá yọrú okó yẹn kan wá fi dó wọ̀ náà. Ibi tó kó yẹn gan wọ̀ gan ẹ̀rùgún òní máa ń bà ẹ́ pé obìnrin ẹ wò ẹ jẹ́ a máa lọ. Congratulations àbí kí ni ká ṣe? Recongratulations àbí? Anyone just join am. Ẹ bá mi kọ sínú comment section. Obìnrin tó kúrò nílé ọkọ tó padà síbẹ̀, báwo náà ṣe ń kí? Èmi ò mọ̀ ni o. Welcome back. Welcome party àbí coronation of ẹ̀yìn. I don't understand. Kí Ọlọ́run ọba kó wá pẹ̀lú wa. Àmín.